Pick a door before the timer runs out. This choice decides your fate. Red door. You have chosen the judgmental fridge. 2 a.m. You open the fridge. It speaks. Back again, fourth time tonight. Pizza label. Won't fix your hunger. Chocolate wrapper reads, emotional calories, 847. Actual satisfaction, 3 minutes. Guilt duration, 4 hours. You try the healthy shelf. Salad. Bought 9 days ago to feel responsible. It expired, just like your motivation. Freezer ice cream, 4.8 stars. Great for breakups and self-pity. Allergen warning, contains your entire coping strategy. Comparison chart, what you ate versus what you needed. Intersection, just water. You ate your feelings, 0 nutritional value. You close the fridge, muffled voice. The hunger isn't physical, and we both know that. Fridge magnet rearranges, feed your soul, not your guilt. But you will be back at 2 a.m. You always are. Before revealing the next door, subscribe now and comment swap to change your fate. Blue door. You selected the self-worth scale. You step on a scale. It shows self-worth, not weight. Current value depends on who texted you last. Categories: professional worth tied to productivity, social worth tied to followers. None category reads inherent. You step off. Number drops to 0. Display flashes error. Self-worth cannot be measured by standing on something external. Others step on obsessively. The scale is powered by your need for confirmation. Battery, as long as you step. You smash it. Under the glass, another scale. Installed since childhood, by everyone who said what you should be worth. You stand on bare floor. No number. Your value was never a number. The scale was never the problem.